Hi, I'm Wanda from Sam Josiah. Today we're going to be making a dotted diamond friendship bracelet. We're first going to make our loop with backward forward knots, which is half a backward knot I've just made now, and then I'm about to make the half forward knots. And then we repeat the same steps. These backward forward knots until when we have a semicircle, should I say, for our loop. I'm done and I have pinned my strings down, arranging them with two browns, then one pink in the middle, and on the left side the same thing. Starting with our right side, we are going to take this second brown string, which is in between the pink and the other brown, and we're going to make one backward forward knot over our pink string. Moving to our left side, we're going to take the pink string and the brown string beside the pink string and make a forward backward knot on that side too. Using the pink strings, which will be the middle strings, we are going to make a forward knot. This is closing our loop, so please do this gently and make sure your loop does or your knot doesn't come loose. Now, with the strings on the left, we're going to make one backward knot with the brown string over the other brown string. Now, moving back to the other brown string, we're going to make one forward knot. Now this dotted bracelet is a 6-string bracelet and it is not small, but well, it's a little tiny, so you have to carefully construct your knot so it does not bend. On the other side, we are going to take our brown string and make 3 backward knots. So we're going to make 3 backward knots, each backward knot over each string I am currently holding. Now if you see, it already looks like a small tiny dotted diamond in the middle. Small and very easy to finish, which makes it a perfect beginner bracelet. So I would advise you to, after making a chevron and making a diagonal, this is the next one you should try. With our black string, make one backward forward knot over the pink string, which are the strings at the right edge. Now use the other brown string in the middle and make one forward knot over the pink string and leave it there. Moving to our left side now, we are going to take our brown string on the edge. We're going to make one forward backward knot over the pink string beside it with our D strings on the edge. Now using the brown string that's currently in the middle, we're going to make 2 knots. We're going to make 2 backward knots over our pink string on the left and our brown string on the left edge. Now we're going to take the brown string, so you're going to take the pink strings in the middle and we are going to make one forward knot, making another dot diamond. Now with the left brown string, we're going to make one forward knot over the pink string in the middle. Moving to our right side, we are going to take the 3 strings there, and then with the one on the edge, we're going to make 3 backward knots over each string until when this brown string ends in the middle. Now this is a beginner bracelet, so I'm going to leave a chevron and a video where I explain the basic knots to you just in case, and I hope you follow me on Instagram to see more tutorials that are coming up. Now at the particular point where I end this bracelet, which is here, I'll leave a timestamp on the screen where you can go back and repeat But that's all for today. Thank you. And try checking out more beginner bracelet tutorials that I have. Have a nice day and bye.